Okay, in this video, we're going to look at the streaks. So if we go back into games, we can see right at the bottom, we've got a quiz streaks section and we've got a maths streaks section. So if we click on quiz streaks, we've got this little summary dashboard pop up. We can see the different combinations of languages that we could be learning based on the settings that we put on in the game. And then we've got a little number, if we've got one, based on the streak that we've got. So at the top, for reading, which is the little book, our highest streak for French was 1, but everything else is 0. So the headphones are related to the listening streak that we might have. If we go into math streaks, we can see how well we've done for each math quiz that we've been working on and the streak that we've got for those languages. So, better get learning.